What's up guys, Alec here with Veed, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can draw on video. So it's a very simple process, and we're just going to start by heading over to veed.io. Once you're on veed.io, if you don't have an account, I highly suggest you create one, but you don't have to. You click on new project, and once you've clicked on new project, you just click on upload video. Here I'm going to choose a video that I want to draw on, so I then open this video up. This video is then imported into Veed's project editor. As you can see, it's currently uploading right now. Once it has finished uploading, we are going to be able to start making changes to it. Well, you can actually start drawing on it, but I just want to wait until it finishes uploading. So I'm just going to rename it Drawing on Video. So now I have renamed it. So to start drawing on your video, you just want to head over down to the Draw tab right at the bottom here. Now, if I click on play, so this is a test video that as you can see, my video is playing through. Now let's just imagine a bunch of different scenarios. I have said a rude word throughout the video and I want to cover my mouth in a creative way. What I can do is just find, let's just say the word, I'm going to use the word that we're going to be translating. So I'm just going to find that and I'm just going to click on add text, and this is then going to add a layer, and I'm literally just going to click and drag to trim this draw layer to the area where I say the bad word. I'm going to change the color. I want to draw in red, and I want to change the brush. I'm going to change the brush size to 12, make it a bit easier for myself, and then just change it to the rectangular one. So now I'm just going to scribble over my mouth, right? Just like that. You can kind of do it however you want. You could put a cross, but I want to cover my mouth so people can't see it. That way YouTube doesn't demonetize you. And let's just play it back through. That we're going to be translating. So translating was my rude word there, and that was the word I wanted to cover. Up next, let's just say I want to add a little bit of creative styling to my video. So again, I can just add a layer, and it could be that I am drawing a presentation or something like that. Let's say I say an important word this time that I want to emphasize on. Okay, we're going to find it now. A new podcast. Okay, we're going to choose the word podcast. So it starts here, so I'm going to bring this right here, and I'm just going to write in big. And the thing is, you can just simply add text to your video, but I think this gives it a nice feel. So a new podcast. I want to make it a little bit longer. Or what you can do to create a kind of scribble effect is replicate this multiple times and shorten each text layer, which I'm going to do right now, and then I will show you the end result. So now if I play it through, if you take a look from here, if you take a look at the word podcast, it's going to have a scribble effect because each frame is kind of different. That we're going to be translating. Welcome to our new podcast. As you can see, it gives that little scribbled, squiggly effect that you do see on a lot of videos. And that is how you can draw on your videos. You can change the color, change the brush size, and once you're finished drawing on your videos, you just have to hit the download button once you're happy with it, and then Veed will start rendering your video with the text drawn onto it. If you have any questions on how to draw on your videos, let me know in the comment section down below. We look forward to getting back to you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. That being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.